Actually, ditong sa ating CR-HRDC competition, especially for me, for my case, the poster presentation, meron tayong mga criteria. So para hindi naman bias yung pag-uhurado natin. So I think based sa criteria na yon, hinusgahan siya ng mga evaluators kung ano yung mga pinapresent nila sa amin. So first we check of course the poster, then nakinig kami sa mga binahagi nila mga information sa amin, then dun kami ngayon nagkaroon ng mga rating. So definitely sila magre-represent sa Cordillera dito sa CAR sa national event natin. Hopefully manalo tayo this time. So sila yung magbibigay ng parangal sa Cordillera Administrative Region. Definitely gawin nila to from the bottom of their heart. So ano ba talaga yung mga advocacies nila? Doon sila mag-start para yung laman, yung content, yung accuracy, yung credibility ng paper nila is talaga matatranslate into publication and of course other form of research materials.
Tinawag yung pangalan ko. Wala, sobrang saya lang. Sobrang thankful ako. Kay Sir Pat kasi nga pinush niya ako. Tapos, ayun, ang saya lang kasi parang nag-paid off lahat ng overthinking ko before. Bago ako nagpasa ng poster, yung pag-conceptualize ko lahat ng kung ano ilalagay ko sa poster. So yun, sobrang masaya ako kasi nag-paid off. Prepare ako months before nung pasahan ng poster. So parang by that, nag-start na ako mag-conceptualize. Inaral ko mismo yung spirit of binadang kasi nga, hindi ako medyo familiar. So, by that, nag-search ako, binasa ko yung binadang manual, and nag-scroll ako doon sa Facebook page ng CR-HRDC about what is binadang talaga para sa kanila and paano to nagiging spirit para dito sa consortium na ito. So yun, parang more on conceptualizing lang talaga. Pinagtagpi-tagpi ko lang yung idea and inaral ko lang talaga kung ano yung consortium.
Actually, unexpected siya, pero for me kasi this is for the adolescents. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko na they are not alone, na there is hope. At matuto lang silang humingi ng tulong sa iba. Besides, pinag-training kami ng CR-HRDC, si Sir Patrick, yung pinaka-mentor namin. Continuous memorization, and then yung isa puso mo lang kung ano yung research mo. This is my thesis, my graduate study. Sinapuso ko lang siya. Kung ito yung corny man sabihin, ito yung sinisigaw ng puso at talagang pinag-aralan nating mabuti.
Actually, it was surprise on my part na nanalo ako. Hindi ko talaga expect because the presentation is really not that quite good. But the good thing that there are two parts of criteria po pala. The technical, which is a higher percentage, and then the presentation. So, I'm surprised and very thankful. Actually, if you have the curiosity, just grab it. Just take a risk. And make sure that you know yourself na yun yung parang expertise ninyo. I just want to give this insight. Before, I just want to conduct a quantitative that is descriptive that I think it is more easy. It is easier. But I think on my heart, I am more on the not the expert but more inclined on the experimental aspect. So let's make it a sense na you, a future researcher, will do it also.